Here's a single sheet of paper, just 1/10 of a millimeter thick. So how many times would you have to fold it to reach the top of the Eiffel Tower? Here's the one rule this puzzle runs on. Every fold doubles the paper's thickness. Fold it once, and it's already twice as thick. Fold it again, and it doubles again. One more fold, and it keeps doubling just as fast. So how many of these doublings would it actually take to reach the tower up there? Now watch 4 real rounds play out, each one racing the same fold doubling trick against a different giant. A giraffe stands about 5.5 meters tall, and it only takes 16 folds to beat it. A house reaches 8 meters, just one more fold away at 17. A redwood tree towers to 100 meters, and 20 folds get there. The Eiffel Tower itself, over 300 meters high, falls in just 22 folds. This game sharpens your intuition for exponential growth. You see how doubling something small can spiral out of control fast. You practice comparing a growing quantity against a real, fixed benchmark, and you build a gut feeling for how few steps exponential growth actually needs. And that's the whole game. Every fold just doubles what came before. Enough of those doublings and paper can beat almost anything, from a house to the Eiffel Tower. Now it's your turn to see how few folds it really takes. Head to PlayMemorize.com and open Paper Folds, and the link is waiting in the description below.